Every day we make decisions that will probably shape our day and even our future. Importante po sa bawat decision natin, malaman natin ang kalooban ng Diyos because only God's will prevail and prosper. How can we discern the will of God? Ang sabi po sa Romans chapter 12 verse 2, do not conform any longer to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Then you will be able to test and approve what God's will is. His good, pleasing, and perfect will. Kung nais mo malaman ang kalooban ng Diyos ngayong araw na to, at kung ikaw ay gumagawa ng desisyon, dalawang bagay lang ang nais kong iwan sa iyo. First, we must base our decision according to the value system of God, not according to the value system of the world. The value system of God is always based on His Word. Kaya dapat po natin laging basahin ang ating mga Bible at lagi tayong manalangin sa Kanya. Second, we must have a renewed mind. We must not base our decision according to the flesh, but we must base our decision with a Christ-centered mind and always by faith. Maraming salamat and God bless you.